Turns out, throw everything in a box isn't a kitchen strategy. It's a recipe for chaos. My first solo camping trip proved that. Hey there, I'm Tori, an Oregon-based camper who's obsessed with making outdoor life easier. Let's dive in with my initial kitchen setup and the changes I made on my second trip that made all the difference. This might change at the end of the season, depending on how things go. So of course, I got my meal for tonight. I want to keep it simple. I've got some plates / bowls that are made out of wheat straw so they're eco-friendly. Same with some utensils. Fork, spoon, and knife made out of wheat straw. Some cleaning supplies. Got towel and sponges. Some eco-friendly bags. A little cooking kit that has a pot and a pan. I'm going to boil some water for my dinner tonight with using this. Got a backpacking stove just to boil some water. Got a coffee cup that has my coffee inside of there. Some decaf coffee in case I want some coffee with my cookies tonight. Got some big utensils, spatula and a big spoon. My cast iron. It's like a multi-purpose knife. Some fire starters. This one's USB powered and then one is just gas. And I got a windscreen for my stove. And then I got some oil for cooking and some dish soap. Okay, I wanted to show you my water setup. You can put 20 liters of water on this. I didn't fill it up very much. Otherwise I would just stand up taller. It has a little spout. And I just filled it up from home using tap water. And then I brought this cool bottle and it's got a filter straw inside. So I just put water in my bottle and then I just use the straw to filter it. So it's like having filtered water from home. Just wanted to show you my little setup for my cooler box. It's just a small thing. And I've got these frozen ice packs. They got sodium in, so it keeps them really, really cold. And then this is just a smoothie that I froze overnight, so that'll be my lunch tomorrow. So that's basically it. On my second trip, I cooked from scratch and brought more cast iron, including a new Dutch oven. My new kitchen bag is just for cooking, including my stove, cast iron, and tools, all within reach. No more frantic digging while dinner burns. And my original kitchen box is only for dried food, cleaning supplies, and a few other things. Thank you so much for joining my camp kitchen glow up. From that jumbled first box to my slightly more organized system, it's all about progress, not perfection. I'm sure I'll tweak things again, so make sure you subscribe to see the next round of upgrades. And hey, if you cracked the code on camp kitchen organization, drop your best tips in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking and may your coffee stay hot.